Hello guys and welcome to another post market analysis of Bank Nifty, and today we'll also cover Nifty. So this is a Bank Nifty chart on a daily time frame. And from past many days we have this green zone marked as a support and resistance area. Earlier, just before today, since prices are coming from the bottom, this was our resistance area. And also we have this tentative trend line drawn, and we have seen a moderate breakout through this, and we have seen a pullback right from January 23rd uh, of Bank Nifty. So from November 23rd and Bank Nifty, we are continuously seeing a green momentum that was indicating that the Bank Nifty is towards the bullish side, but still we didn't take Bank Nifty in a bullish trend because we have marked these two lines, that is blue level, and because yesterday we have seen Bank Nifty getting closed in this area, in this zone. We have discussed yesterday that either be you'll be waiting for the Bank Nifty to close either on top of this line or below this line, so that if you see a close above this with proper confirmation, then we can be bullish. Or if you see a close beneath this and with a confirmation candle, then we thought we'll go towards the downside. So here in this case, we have seen today a market gap up opening of let's measure how much is that. Yeah, we have seen more than 200 points gap up opening in the Bank Nifty, and we have seen a pure trending day towards the upside. So as usual, let's start from our daily, 5 minutes intraday chart and see what we can learn from Bank Nifty. After which we can uh, see our Nifty chart, or let's check the Nifty first also on a daily chart, and then we'll see. We'll come back to 5 minutes to see what we can learn from today is price action of Nifty and Bank Nifty both. All right, so it looks like it is taking some time now. Okay, so let me. Yes, we have Bank Nifty, and yes, this is Nifty. So in our last weekly analysis video, we have said that Bank Nifty is for both Nifty and Bank Nifty we have marked levels, and we have given this level for the Nifty on a daily time frame as well. So we are Nifty was looking a little bullish in the last week analysis, but the Bank Nifty was not. But still, both was not at a confirmed location. We were waiting for some sort of confirmation on a weekly chart as well. So today on a daily time frame, we have seen this was a previous swing high of Nifty, and here we have seen today with a very huge gap up opening, and Nifty was trending day as well today and towards the bullish side. So we are almost near all time high, which is the 20,200 levels. So this is going to be very crucial for the Nifty, because this level is the all time high of Nifty, as you can see. uh, so this level is going to be extremely crucial. This level is going to be a super important level for Nifty, that is 20,200 levels. And also here, if you notice, this huge gap that is right there is also going to act as a resistance area, because that is what gaps are meant to do. So this gap is also resistance area. So we can see a very strong pullback from any of these levels. Or if not, if you want to see Nifty going to new highs, you need to see a strong bullish confirmation close above this level and with a proper confirmation candle after that. So but in this Nifty is at a very dangerous level compared to Bank Nifty, because it is very close to the all-time high resistance area. With this area is going to act as very strong resistance, and also we have this gap which is also going to act as a resistance area. So it is interesting now to see whether Nifty is going to close above this with a confirmation candle. Then we can expect new highs again. But if it sees any pullback, and if it forms any bearish confirmation here, if it forms any bearish patterns there, then we can expect Nifty again coming back to this levels. Okay, so that's it on our daily chart, and then let's come back to our Bank Nifty, and let's get into our 5 minutes chart and see what we can learn from today's price action. Okay, so these two blue lines are from daily chart, and this green zone marked is also from the daily chart. So now I'm taking this off just to avoid some visual confusion. So Nifty, to start with, sorry, Bank Nifty has opened at 44,000 levels, and as we all know, on a 5 minute time frame, first three candles of any instrument is going to matter a lot. So today we have seen, see, the very first candle itself is a spinning top candle, which means they either it is a strong, it is not strong bullish candle, or not a very strong bearish candle. And the next immediate candle is a hammer, which is on the red color. But then after that we have seen again a bullish color. So this is little confusing. Whenever you see first three candles of any instrument and not in same color, then you need to be really careful. That is how it works traditionally. So here we have, see, after this 935 candle, this is also seen a very strong reaction. See, first of all, to begin with, Nifty, Bank Nifty has opened above this level, above this resistance level, and it has maintained this level up to like till 945. It was holding up this level, and at this point we have seen this zone holding up a bit, so we can draw that. Okay, so you can take this, and also at this level, okay, or when you are at 11, 10:50 or 11 o'clock level, we can consider this as your swing high. So now you have a swing low, okay, this area, and also swing high, which means you have now support and resistance area drawn on your intraday chart. See, now where is the exact, there are a couple of entry options that a pure price action gave. Okay, first let's check on this formation, which is interesting, called harame pattern, or an inside candle pattern. So these two candles I was talking about, 930 candle and 935 candle. Because if you see, let me zoom in a bit. Yeah, now you can see very clearly that 935 candles real body is completely inside the 930s candles real body. So this candle is completely inside this candle. So in this case it is a harami candle, or also an inside candle. So where you could have, see, this is how, yeah, this is the low of this inside candle formation, and this is the high of this inside candle formation, or a harami pattern. Now with the very next candle you have seen a close right above that. Okay, you would have taken an entry there with 1 is to 1 target right there towards the call. So you would have taken an entry there. You can keep that as your stop loss just below that, and then you can, you could have had 1 is to 1 a target. So that is this much of 65 points. You could have had this, and then rest is up to you, you would have trailed. But then this candle formation alone, you see the kind of momentum. So imagine if you're there all the day, imagine the kind of momentum that Bank Nifty has given. Okay, so this was one entry. Those who are very uh, those who are very like, if they are paying attention towards the Bank Nifty on every candle, they would have observed this, and they would have taken entry. And rest is history today, because you see the kind of movement that has happened. So from the entry till the close, okay, it is 547 points of momentum. Okay, but then that was only one sort of entry that you would have taken. Okay, imagine if that was not, if that was not your entry. Okay, what you would have done is, at least here at this point, you know that it has given you a swing high there. Now which you, at this point at 11 o'clock, you have this reaction, you have this reaction. So you know both swing low and swing high can be marked as a resistance and support area. So here we have taken this as resistance area, and also this level seemed to held up pretty nice. So this was a sideways market which got a breakout at 11:25. But you see, whenever you have drawn a resistance area like that, or any support area, and whenever you see prices stacking up near this area, okay, so whenever you see prices stacking up near this area, and then if you see a breakout towards, okay, the upper side, if it is resistance, or if you have a support here, if you've seen any breakout towards the bottom, it is definitely going to make a huge it's going to play huge impact on the moment of any instrument, in this case the Bank Nifty. So here you have Okay, excuse me. Yeah, so here you have seen the breakout at 11:25, but as usual, you know by now that you need to wait for the confirmation candle. So in this case at 11:30 you have also seen a confirmation candle which has a higher high, higher low, and also a higher close. Excuse me. So here you, this was an opportunity and this was a proper breakout. So you would have entered there considering your risk versus reward ratio as well, so that you just below this resistance area should be your initial stop loss. So your entry was at this point. Now looking towards the left, you can, okay, extremely sorry about that. Okay, yeah, so this was your entry. And then to know where is your first target, all you need to do is to look at the chart on the left. So on the left here you have this as your entry, sorry, excuse me. So before this, where is your hurdle? So this prices seems to be moving pretty, these prices are falling pretty easily through all these levels. So there was no hurdles here going towards the upward direction, and this is the hurdle that we can see. So this is the hurdle that we can see. And after that, if imagine that your bank nifty has seen that area, has seen that, okay, also has seen this, and then it is your next level, next level, next level. Okay, seems like we don't have anything on the top. Okay, prices are at the bottom. Okay, so if you have, okay, okay, you can even mark all these levels on your chart. Okay, and then after this level, in fact this is here, after that this was your next level, and then this was your next level. Okay, so all these are hurdles on the left. So imagine if you're taking entry here, if you're taking entry here, this was your, this was your stop loss, and then your first target itself is there, which means your risk versus reward ratio is definitely more than 1. In this case it is 1.57. So it took it took a long time to reach your target, that is at 145. You are there in the market for 2 or 15 minutes, but still you have seen a profit, you have seen your target is getting hit at 145. At this stage you would have raised your stop loss from cost to cost, that is now that line becomes your stop loss, and from here you can go on trailing now this line becomes your entry itself, becomes your stop loss, and see how the prices are going. See, it has reached your second target. In that case this becomes your stop loss, and then you have seen your prices reaching that level. In that case, I'll delete this, this becomes your stop loss, and you have seen this level getting reached. So where you have seen in this case, when your prices are here, this becomes your stop loss, so I'll take this line off. And then you have seen your last line also getting reached. In that case this becomes your stop loss, I'll take this one off. So this was like another method where you could have taken the trade, and it would have worked this way. Okay, so one single entry at this breakout, okay, you have kept you in the trade almost till 310. That is you seeing a points profit of uh, okay, where do we have, yeah, so here you have seen a momentum of 351 points. So let me write that here. Okay, let's round it off to 350. It's fine. 350 points on a trending day, oh my god, is definitely a huge number. Okay, so we have seen a resistance level breakout, and with a confirmation candle, that was one sort of entry you could have taken. And the second one is this inside candle, what we have seen here, that was also another entry option which bank nifty has given us today. Excuse me. So in either cases, in Bank Nifty, you have seen 350 points, which is pretty good on a trending day like this. Now let's see what how Nifty was. Okay, in the Nifty again, we have this green zone marked from the daily chart. Now let's see how the Nifty has performed. To start with, Nifty has opened at 19,970 levels and immediately seen a rejection candle. So the first three candles are very important. So this has seen a rejection candle. Second candle was very strong, and this itself is a bullish engulfing pattern if you notice. So right here, this is a hammer, and then also these two candles put together, it is a bullish engulfing pattern. And then you have the at see at this level at around 9:40 or even 10 o'clock level, you know that this level is holding up pretty nice. So you can consider that as a swing low or a support area. And if you notice at this level at 10:10, it has seen some sort of a swing reaction there at 20,000 level, and that level was maintained from 10:15 to almost 11:30, more than an hour. So in this case, now you can safely draw and another resistance area there. And now you see what has happened. It has seen a breakout and also an entry there. Excuse me once again. So we have a proper confirmation there. Now all you have to do is to check for the risk versus reward ratio. You would have taken that as your the risk, and to see the target, you will simply look at your left. Okay, there was nothing at this level. Okay, let me mark the entry. So that line was your entry. Since it is entry, let's turn that into blue. Okay, so we don't have anything. We don't have anything yet. We don't have anything yet. Okay, we don't have anything yet till October 25, 23, 20. Okay, that's too much. Okay, so enough. This is enough. So till October 15, 16, you don't have anything on the left. So that means that you don't have any near targets or near hurdles on the left to for the Nifty to move towards the upside. So in this case, what you would have done is you would have taken entry and then simply wait for the Nifty to reach 1 is to 1 target levels. Okay, and then simply you could have trailed your um, stop loss and trailed your profits. This is one way of entry there at Nifty. Also, what you could have done is you could have also seen this like wait a moment, let me show you. Okay, so you would have also seen the Nifty like that. Okay, you have seen that is one swing, this is here, and this is another. Okay, this is a swing high breakout, this is a swing low. You have seen that swing high breakout, and then if you want, you would have traded, okay, until your swing low, any of your swing low for that matter, is getting broken. So you would have traded all the way. Okay, you would have traded all the way. So even according to this method, okay, so once you have taken an entry above this swing high, after that you have not seen any of your swing low is getting broken. Okay, this remained intact. Okay, this swing low remained intact, this swing low remained intact, this swing low remained intact, this swing low was remaining intact, and even this was not broken. So even in Nifty, you could have seen a pretty good momentum throughout the day. So let me measure that for you. Okay, so in Nifty we have almost 76 points. So we have 76 points in Nifty, and then you have 350 points there in Bank Nifty. This should have been a pretty good day if you would have made your analysis like this. So I'm simply removing all this. So to summarize, Nifty especially, Nifty especially to summarize on a daily chart, you have to be really careful because see that is where Nifty is. This is the all-time high. That is the all-time high resistance on Nifty. It was not any swing high. It is an all-time high, and this gap that you are seeing is a huge gap on a Nifty, which is also going to act as a resistance level. So you need to be extra careful at all these levels. You need to be seeing whether it is going to get closed above this and take this chance to form a new highs on the Nifty, or if you see any bearish quantum momentum there, you should really expect Nifty to fall beyond. So anyways, in either cases, we should be really careful and be careful in the Nifty, especially tomorrow, because today we have seen such a good momentum. It might be a sideways market both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, but then be ready to see surprises. Okay, so always trade carefully. So Nifty pretty good momentum we have seen from last many days towards the upside, and even Bank Nifty has seen pretty good momentum here. So and bank nifty is also at this resistance level, bank nifty, because we have a swing high there. So you wait for the price action there on a daily chart and trade only if you see a breakout with proper confirmation candle, and that too you can't come to a conclusion that bank nifty is, or nifty is, continuously going to move in one single direction. Any pullbacks are expected in the market anytime, so please trade carefully. I hope you have learned something out of today's video post market analysis, and thank you so much for watching. And please do subscribe for more such valuable content on Indian stock markets. Thank you.